So it's finally not raining in Vancouver, so I can get out there and fly. Took my missus and my dog out for a walk, carrying my FPV gear, and we went around the seawall of Vancouver. Hope you enjoy. I'll narrate some of the areas that we've been through and kind of what I've been practicing. So we got our fall weather right now where our leaves change color, and this area here near Stanley Park was the perfect place to capture it. There's this row of red maple trees, right? Beautiful pictures, and at the same time my wife brought her camera along as well to snap photos of these beautiful trees, because we're actually looking to decorate our wall at home with some photos. Yeah, I've found the opportunity to fly, so packed light, took my Radio Master Pocket, DJI goggles, and the Seeker 3 with the 04 Pro so that I can capture this footage. We're lucky that there weren't too many people around as well. We went pretty early, I'd say, kind of just before lunch, so it was nice and cold and no one wanted to walk out there. So kind of got the place to ourselves, which is a boon, because I don't like to fly when there's too many people around, because, you know, I don't want to be a dick, right? And like ruin their day by just having this buzzing sound everywhere. So next up, we went to the, there's an area with an Inukshuk, which is kind of the stone totem. We sat on an area just outside of English Bay, and I'm flying across here from one end to the other. I always get this, pun intended, sinking feeling when I fly over water. Questions enter my mind. What will I do if it falls in the water? How will we even recover it? And as I get to the other side too, then the anxiety grows as I'm like, shoot, if it falls here, I'm gonna have to like swim across the water to get it. Or in total, I think I flew 600 meters or so to get across there, which is, for me, pretty far. I haven't really played around with the long range part of drones yet, so this might be a limit for me. The other thing I'm working on too is just flying with a subject in mind. So in this case, my wife volunteered and my dog involuntary. Yeah, just flying with, trying to see what kind of emotions I can get away with and to create visually pleasing kind of shots, mixing in a little bit of freestyle, which I realize now doesn't look that great. Just practicing and seeing what will look nice in the future. I think one of the things that do look nice, and again, not this crazy freestyle stuff, but is the kind of drone-y shots that DJI likes to use, where you like fly up and fade away. Kind of showcase it here. Hard to do when you have a fixed camera and the same camera you use, where it would be nice if there was a gimbal so you can look down so you can see them as you fade up. I'll maybe one day fix a gimbal on my drone and see how that works out. And of course, orbits always look nice, so just practicing some more orbits. And that's kind of it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.